This is Mia from Mimo Design Laser Files, and today I'll show you how to assemble this new square box for my interchangeable concept for add-ons. The file contains a bottom, two sides like these, and two tab sides like these, and this box also contains a divider. You don't have to use this, but if you want to make your box the same purpose as mine, which is holding my acrylic markers, this one is recommendable. So assembling of this is easy. You just slide these two parts together and place them down the box. So this is the actual box, but the file also comes with these sides for the add-on. So these sides with the fin rim is for the tapped sides, and you have one for the slotted for the pattern only. If you want to make a box with only pattern, you can just cut two of these, but it also comes with this front that will hold the round add-ons. This is the one I'll be adding to mine. But it's up to you if you want to make it exclusively pattern or you want the round interchangeable as well. All the add-ons for the pattern is the squares, small squares from the add-on files, and they'll go inside like this. So I took this one from my arabesque bundle, and this one is my 3D Magnolia. So I'll be combining these since I want to use this as a pencil holder. Markers holder for my own. So let's start by showing you how to assemble the actual box. I'll just move the add-ons aside. So once you have your bottom, you add glue. I use Vinavil. It's just simple wood glue from Italy, so you can use any. And this is pretty snug fit, so you might not have to use glue, but I do recommend it. So add some glue to all the tabs like that, and take one of your tab sides and add some glue to that as well. Snap it on the bottom and take the other tapped side, add glue and push it over the other side of the bottom like that. Once you have the tapped sides on, you can place it upside down and you'll just snap these parts on. So align it with the tabs and the bottom tab like that. Sometimes it will snap directly on, sometimes you have to play a little around. So take the other side and snap that one on like that. So now you have the box, and you could use it like this if you want to. You don't have to use my add-ons, that's entirely up to you. I'll just take some towel and remove my excess glue on the inside like that. So now that you have assembled your box, it's time to add the front corners. So this one is already square, so you can't really, you can't turn it the wrong way. You can see which direction it goes. So add glue, and I think I'll just add a few drops of super glue so it will dry a little faster. But in general, I always use wood glue because it's obviously meant for glue, for wood, so I'm pretty sure that it will hold better than my super glue. So align it to all of the sides, and I'll just hold it for a second. So my inner box is all natural plywood. The outer frame I stained with dark beeswax, and then I took some gold colored acrylic paint like this and a brush and just kind of wiped it over to make this effect. So take your patterns side, put it back, add glue, and once again I'll just give it a few drops like that. I think I need some more glue here, maybe. There you go. So flip it over, and this can also just be layered in one direction. So I'll just hold it down for seconds, and then I can step on to these. So this one you can add like that or like this. It's supposed to go like this with the short ends to the side. So I'll add glue, give it a little super glue, flip it over and place it. And the box contains files for 1/8 inch, which is 3 mm. It also contains files for 4 mm, which is the wood I'm using. So you don't want your layering to be bigger than the box you're cutting materials for. I made them fit perfectly, so you don't have any edge. So if you're using the 1/8 inch box, you also have to cut these from 1/8 inch. And the last one, like that. And that's it. My box is now done and ready for add-ons. So you can use the add-ons and glue them down permanently. That's what I will do, but I have to take pictures of the box first so I can offer the files to you. Or you could lay them loose and use this, I call it teacher's gum, I don't know what you call it. I have the package here. This is what I use. Or you could use some light tack glue if you just want to place it temporarily so you can change it afterwards. I'll just add a few pieces of gum. As I told you, I call it. I don't know if that's what it's called. And you could just do like this, and once you want to change it, you can then lift it and replace it with one of the other patterns. I have a bunch of patterns, but this is basically how it will look like. So like that, and of course this one fell out. So that's the box. And as said, I'll use mine for my acrylic markers. So I'll add my inlay. You just slide it down, and you now have a 4-room divided box. And my sides are dropping because I haven't glued these. But this one is perfect for my markers, which will fit like this. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.